Here's one for Mopar fans, and it's a nice one. 1968 Dodge Charger. Racing green metallic, black vinyl top, green vinyl bucket seat, center console, automatic transmission paired up with a 383 underneath the hood. Appears to be numbers matching too. I'll tell you where to check out that stamping of the engine and tranny here in just a bit. First is to take a look at the chrome, hidden headlamps, bright work up front. Nicely equipped, also power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You want to see that engine bay? Check out the stamping I'm talking about. Interior, undersides, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Paint in this one shows well. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, scratches. Gentleman that was the previous owner of this car, very particular. Anything that he's traded in, we've sold for him, always in nice shape. I personally wouldn't be afraid to own anything that came out of his possession, or his wife's for that matter. Also has nice vehicles. You can see nice and straight up and down the passenger side. This one looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and videos, folks. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Just take a look at the taillight surrounds. No pitting. Rear chrome, as you can see, dual exhaust down there, also nice chrome tips, and any of the bright work back of this car. Showstopper right here, no doubt about it. Now, underneath the hood, a few things you're going to notice when we get underneath there. It does have aluminum radiator, kind of oversized one, sure to help with cooling and with that AC on it. Has headers now also. Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. So with this vehicle, check out in the still pictures, there's another 4-barrel carb that came off it that will go with it. There's exhaust manifolds that will go with it. There's also like an original radiator that'll go with it. Check those out in the pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side, and again, you can see how straight this car is. See the reflection in the paint. And remember, we do have open door policy. If you want a third-party inspector to come look at this, you can't see it yourself, feel free to send them. I think they would enjoy looking at this car as much as anybody watching this video that checks out the still pictures. Take a look at that interior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Real quick, had the radio working, AM radio, works fine. Wipers worked. Like I said, we're gonna turn the headlights on, check out those headlight doors, and open the hood. Let you check out that engine bay. But first, let's hear how it sounds. See how easily that started? I did notice, not see that the tach worked. Again, wipers work. Take a look at the top of the dash. As far as AC, how it's set up right now. So this to defrost, that switch, and this one with the temp forward, that is the AC on it. If I turn the fan on, you're going to hear the compressor kick out underneath the hood. You caught that? And again, it does blow cold. 3-speed fan seems to work fine. There's a compressor kicking on and off again. 3 speeds. Center console, vinyl, all in nice shape. Love that headliner. What a beauty. Nicely, that door door closes. Nothing crazy over the top, just a nice sounding 383 Charger. Let me pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood and let's check out that engine bay. Look how clean the underside of that hood is. Nice finish on the paint there too. All right, so you can see aluminum radiator. There's a battery disconnect here. Got an electric pusher fan. Regular radiator fan on the other side. Power steering, power brakes. Go ahead and decode the fender tag if you'd like. That'll be in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the numbers matching stamps in the still pictures. What a beautiful engine bay. Don't have to worry about having the hood open on this one at any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Wow. One last thing I wanted to check out and show you. Thought about on this hood. Let's go ahead and check those turn signal indicators out a second. Working fine there. Let's go ahead and check that one out over there. Yep, let me click on the headlights. Looks like both doors must be working. Wow. 1968 Dodge Charger. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions. Going to take you right there, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1968 Dodge Charger. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a very nice condition Charger. Our fuel gauge is reading empty. I'm not positive if that one is working. The temperature reads a little over 170, oil pressure 30. Alternator is charging. Our blinker indicator does work. Let's get her up to speed and see what it feels like. Lots of power, fun to drive, easy to drive with an automatic on the center console. This car is smooth on the road. I'm not getting any shimmy from any tires or anything like that. Once we get straightened out here, I'll see how straight she goes down the road. Seats are comfortable. Looks all factory inside. Go straight down the road. Not getting any pull either direction. Very nice. Speedometer works. It's reading 29,700 miles. It drives like a low mile car. Feels very nice. It started up very well. Idles great. Sounds excellent. You don't see a lot of these cars anymore, especially in this condition. Check out this 1968 Dodge Charger at uniqueclassiccars.com.